Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Josephine Mapotela. The name of my company is Kemoroki. I'm working from Tsakani. I started my business in January 2024. I started my business because I lost my job due to Corona. So I decided to start a new thing to live on because now I don't have a stable I cannot chelete in me. So I decided to start a business gore ke nne le chelete and ke qhobe ka bophelo ba ka. Company ya ka e rekisa dibeke and then dibeke tsa ka ke di etsa from jeans. So my bags are from jeans, and then what makes them special is you cannot find them anywhere. My contact details, phone number is 074 584 1876, and on Facebook I'm Kemoroki. Hi, my name is Josephine Mapotela and I'm a township entrepreneur.